Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Planet Coaster on PC. First, understand that Planet Coaster is a PC-exclusive title, meaning it's only available for computers. To get started, you'll need a compatible PC that meets the game's system requirements. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable park building experience. We'll cover where to purchase the game and how to install it properly. Before buying, verify your PC's specifications, including your processor, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card. A 64-bit operating system is also essential for the game to function. Once confirmed, you can purchase Planet Coaster from popular digital platforms such as Steam. After purchase, the game will be added to your library, ready for download and installation. After purchasing, navigate to your game library on the digital platform and begin the download. The installation process is typically straightforward. Just follow any on-screen instructions. Once installed, you can launch Planet Coaster directly from your library. The first launch might take a moment as it sets up initial configurations, but soon you'll be ready to design your dream theme park. To master Planet Coaster, start by exploring the in-game tutorials. They offer valuable insights into building and management. Don't be afraid to experiment with various coaster designs and park layouts to find what works best for your vision. Remember, creativity is key in building an amazing theme park. Also, for some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.